Melissa here for Interworld Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. So let's get started. Here we have these gigantic, when I say gigantic, look, big, huge tags. And then I have these trays here that I'm going to use on the side of me for like things that I'm going to be using my tools and stuff. Okay. Then I have some of these for organization. The little fabric drawers. Then I have this little welcome windmill here. I have to straighten it out a little bit because when they put it in the bag, they kind of like mangled it. So I gotta fix it later. And I have this box here that I'm going to use for a project that I have coming up. And I have 2 packs of these little canvases. And I have this one, this canvas here. Then I have this butterfly. Whoops. See? It's pretty shiny, y'all. Real shiny. And yes, I'm still organizing out my room. It's getting put together the way I want it. And that's that. Okay. So I have this, it's like a rose gold heart. It's metal. Then I bought me some balloons to do a project. So, there's a few more pieces to come. I also have this lace burlap. Okay, I haven't been craft shopping in a while, so then I found these crown stickers. And then I found these roses. What else did I find? We got these tags here. Okay. And then there is this style. And I got these stickers. Hot air balloon stickers. We got these hinges. These roses. Well, that's it. Nope. Hang on, y'all. Hang on. I was trying to figure out what was weighing the bag down. So I found these stones in Dollar Tree. This one says courage. This one says imagine. This one is believe. This one is love. Dream. And faith. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for y'all. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be crafty, be safe, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.